Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have studied about rainwater harvesting and its importance. Today, we will talk about some customs related to water, in which we will see how water means a festival in our country and what are those traditional sources from which we get water. But before that, I want to ask an important question to you. How does the earth soak water? And how does it reach wells and step wells? So the answer is this process, which is called ग्राउंड वाटर फ्लो. अर्थ पे जो सॉइल है उसमें पोर होल्स हैं जिनसे वाटर ड्रिप होकर नीचे जाता है और ये वाटर टेबल को इंक्रीज करता है, जैसा कि आप इस पिक्चर में भी देख सकते हो. और फिर वाटर पहुंचता है वेल्स एंड स्टेप वेल्स में. यहाँ पे रेन वाटर भी इनके साथ इंक्लूड हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस customs related to water. In India, there are so many traditional ways and sources to consume and worship the water. Even today, people get water from very old lakes, step wells, dharas, and nalas. So, these are some traditional sources by which we are still getting water. Now, let's see some traditional ways to give respect and importance to water. Students, in the given picture you can see the bride of Uttarakhand. Now the traditional story is like this. In the village area, new bride come to her new village. She used to worship the particular water sources of that area with groom, and this is kind of thanksgiving to Mother Nature. Now this was all about the village area, but what about city area, where these natural resources like dharas and nalas are not available? So in cities one can see an interesting form of this custom. The new bride worship the tap in her home because that tap is the main source of water at that place. Okay, so this tradition is known as Dhara Pujan. Now let's see some more custom and festival related to water. And the examples are Dhara Pujan, Bali Yatra, Chhat Puja, कार्तिक पूर्णिमा, होली, कांवड़ यात्रा, गणेश चतुर्थी, गंगा दशहरा, ओनम, and etc. Here the main question is, can we imagine life without water? So the answer is no, because ये सारे फेस्टिवल्स हमें जल के महत्व को समझाते हैं और ये भी इंडिकेट करते हैं कि लगभग सभी उत्सव हम जल के बिना नहीं मना सकते हैं. That's why we says water is very essential for life. Now let's talk about the pots in which we store water. Water is being filled in this beautiful copper pot. The shining yellow pot of brass is seen in the other picture. Okay, here you can see two pots are there. One is of brass and another is of copper. Also you can observe the stone carving, the beautiful stone carving at that place. Okay, so this was all about the customs related to water. Now today's questions are, first question is, Dhara Pujan is performed in which state of India? Second question is, in Rajasthan, step wells are known as by which name? So what you have to do, you will have to write your answers in comment section, or you can text your answer with your name, class and section. So that's all for today's video. In next video we will discuss some other topics of this chapter.